Okay, so I don't quite know where I ended up last time. There are some books falling over. But right now I am at the point where I've tea stained all the papers. So these are the tabs, and then these are all the printouts, all tea stained, and they sound wonderful. Then I've got some, this is some drawing paper, but there was some larger drawing paper, so that's all tea stained as well. I think I have 4 normal ones, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and with normal I mean just page, and then I've got 4 that have a flip out, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's for 1 for every signature. Then I have some music paper stuff. So I did tea stain this, but because it was already this dark, it's not really noticeable. There's another part of that one. And then I have this one. It's this Moskowski. And this one, Chopin. So that's 4 of those. Music paper, because it has the lines, but on the other side it has the normal ruled paper. And I've torn that and then I've tea stained it, so that's why it has that colored edge. Again, makes a different sound. And some normal printer paper that I've tea stained as well, twice. So I already had this in my stash, and then I went over it again with some more tea, so there's that. So that's all the papers that are gonna go in there. Let's put it together. This is all the ephemera that I'm gonna put in there. So these are the removable file folders that I will be adding. I have 3 of them. I don't know why I don't have 4 of them, but I have 3 of them. Doesn't really matter. It's ephemera, so it's all removable and interchangeable. Tags, tarot cards that have tea bags on them. Some journaling cards, and this is all tea stained as well, as you have seen in my tea stain thing that I did outside. And these are all pockets and envelopes. What I will do, however, is I'm going to put some cloth here because I want this to be strong. Tea stained this as well a while ago, and this should be enough, I think, for all 4. Yeah, it should be enough. So I'm just gonna cut these in 4. Getting rid of those excess threads. And it doesn't need a lot, it just needs to be that little bit stronger. Because I know that she's going to use this journal a lot. And it will go through a lot, and she will carry it with her all the time. So that is why. Alright, so I'm just gonna glue that on the inside. Like so, and then I'll be back. All right, now I've got all these strips of calico fabric in. I am going to add the pages of the signature. So in every signature there will be 1, 2, 3 printed pages. One is like a brown color, the other one is a blue purplish kind of color, and then the inside middle spread will be a black and brown one. So I think this for the first one, this one for the second one, This one for the third one. And then this one for the fourth one. There we have that. Now every signature will have one of these. And one of these, which is the fold open art paper. First one I will put in here for the blue. And then the second one with the fold out after the blue. Let's put this at the top so I can put some nice ribbon through it or something. And I left this paper overnight outside and I got eaten by snails a little bit, but you know, it only adds to the journal. It does not matter. And this, that's the fold out thing. It's just, you can, you know, you can close it both sides. You can glue another page to it. You can close it one side so it's a tuck spot. You can make it a whole flip in fold out thing. Whatever you want, really. All right. You can see it's starting to take shape now. These are just 3 pages that I have not used, but I can use for ephemera pieces throughout the journal, if I would like, or just cut them into strips and have more journaling cards. Okay. So I need to keep an eye on how thick this thing is. There will be lots more that we can add. This one I will put inside the first one. And yes, this has text on it, but the back is blank, so she can still write on it. Oh, not there. Oh yeah, it goes there. It does go there. All right. Okay. Even more pages. How many do I have per? Was it 3 or 4? 3. Right. Put that in front of this one. In front of that one. And before the middle one. And I'm gonna do that for all signatures. Okay, I've got all my pages in. I also added the A4 sheets. They are just before every music sheet paper. So now what I want to do, because it is so puffy, I'm gonna leave them under a stack of books overnight so it presses down a little bit. this for now is it for this one. And until I come back next time.